Xiaomi Redmi Earbuds S is an affordable pair of truly wireless earphones that was recently announced in India. Let's get to the unboxing of the Redmi Earbuds S. The Redmi Earbuds S comes packed in this small box. Opening the box, you will see the carrying case neatly packed inside. Keeping it aside and opening the box from the other end, you will find a user manual and two pairs of ear tips. And that's all you will find inside the box of the Redmi Earbuds S. The Redmi Earbuds S are compact and lightweight, with each earbud weighing in around 4.1 grams. The in-ear design ensures a comfortable and secure fit, while the charging case is also fairly compact so that you can carry it around your pockets easily. There's a gaming mode that enables a low 122 milliseconds latency while gaming on your smartphone. The Redmi Earbuds S is powered by 7.2mm audio drivers that are capable of delivering a powerful bass with dynamic sound profiles. These earbuds also support environmental noise cancellation that removes ambient noise in order to make your voice clearer during calls. The Redmi Earbuds S can go on for 4 hours on a single charge and up to 12 hours by charging the earbuds from the carrying case. The Earbuds S are also IPX4 certified, which makes it sweat-proof and splash-proof.